little explorers. Welcome to our fun and educational video about the human body. Today, we'll learn all about its incredible parts and how they work together. Let's start by pointing out some important body parts. This is the head. It houses our brain. Look at those eyes, they help us see the world around us. Our ears allow us to hear sounds and music. And the nose? It helps us smell delicious things. Now, open wide. Say hello to your mouth. Moving down, we have our arms, hands, and fingers, perfect for playing, creating, and holding things. And don't forget your legs and feet, they help us walk, run, and dance. Each part has a special job. Our neck supports our head and lets blood flow to our brain. The teeth help us chew food and keep our mouths healthy. Hands and fingers. They're great for writing, drawing, and giving high fives. Legs and feet help us explore the world, from playgrounds to soccer fields. And the tongue? It helps us taste yummy treats. Time for a quiz. Can you point to your nose? How about your ears? And where's your mouth? Now, let's level up. What does the neck do? Why are teeth important? And what's the job of our legs? Did you know that our chin helps us nod yes or no? And our feet have lots of tiny bones, like a puzzle. Great job, little scientists! You've learned about our amazing body parts and their functions. Remember to take care of your body, it's the only one you've got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos. See you next time!